Installing your beautiful new Roman blind couldn't be simpler. First, decide where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer two methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess or face fix them onto a wall or window frame. Whichever method you choose, be sure to check that the brackets are fitted far enough forward that they will clear any handles protruding from the window. Top fixing is the most common method when fitting the blind inside a recess, and usually the easiest. Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or onto a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any protruding handles. Once you've decided which fitting method to use, position your brackets. The two outermost brackets should be around 50mm in from the sides of the recess, with any remaining brackets distributed evenly between them. Next, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a rawl plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly in place. To fit the blind, hook the front lip of the headrail over the front lip of the bracket, then raise the back of the blind and press up firmly until it snaps into place. Ensure that the rail is securely held by each bracket. It is a legal requirement that the child safety device is installed to keep the chain taut at all times. Hold the P-shaped cleat against the wall as far down the length of the window as possible, while still allowing the chain to move freely. Mark the screw holes with a pencil, then drill your holes and insert rawl plugs. Use the screws provided to secure the cleat to the wall. And it's as easy as that. Your new blind is fitted and ready for you to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.